The rapid rise of artificial intelligence in the past decade has already begun to reshape industries, economies, and even the nature of work itself. As AI continues to advance, its influence on the global job market will only intensify over the next 5 to 10 years. The automation of routine tasks, the creation of entirely new industries, and the transformation of existing sectors will lead to significant changes in the workforce. While AI has the potential to eliminate certain jobs, it also promises to create new opportunities that did not exist before. In this video, we will explore how AI is expected to impact employment, the potential for job displacement, and how workers and businesses can prepare for a rapidly evolving labor market. Automation, the shifting landscape of routine jobs. One of the most obvious impacts of AI on the job market is the automation of routine and repetitive tasks. AI technologies such as robotic process automation and machine learning algorithms have the capability to perform tasks that were once reliant on human labor. In industries such as manufacturing, customer service, and transportation, AI is already making significant strides in replacing jobs traditionally performed by humans. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are increasingly deployed on production lines to perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. These robots are faster, more accurate, and more efficient than human workers, reducing the need for manual labor. According to a report by McKinsey, it is estimated that up to 30% of jobs in manufacturing could be automated by 2030. This trend has already been seen in the automobile industry, where robots are now integral to assembling vehicles. The displacement of human workers in manufacturing jobs is one of the most immediate consequences of AI automation. Similarly, in customer service, AI chatbots and virtual assistants are taking over many functions that were previously handled by human customer service agents. These AI systems are capable of answering basic customer queries, processing orders, and troubleshooting common issues. In fact, Gartner forecasts that by 2025, AI chatbots will manage up to 90% of customer interactions across industries, significantly reducing the demand for human labor in call centers. With the increased use of AI, companies can provide round-the-clock support at a lower cost, leading to fewer jobs in customer-facing roles. The transportation industry is also experiencing disruption due to AI. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI algorithms, are being developed to replace human drivers in sectors such as trucking, delivery, and ride-sharing. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are actively working on autonomous driving technologies, which could revolutionize the transport sector. By 2030, it is projected that as many as 3.5 million truck drivers in the U.S. could lose their jobs to self-driving vehicles. While the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles may still be several years away, the implications for truck drivers and delivery workers are already apparent. While automation will undoubtedly lead to job displacement in some sectors, it is important to note that AI will not result in a net loss of jobs across the economy. Rather, automation will restructure the workforce, creating opportunities for workers to transition into roles that require higher-level skills and greater human input. New roles and industries. The rise of AI-related professions. As automation replaces certain jobs, AI is also generating entirely new roles across various sectors. According to a 2024 World Economic Forum report, AI is expected to create 97 million new jobs by 2025. These roles will span industries like healthcare, education, data science, and AI ethics. A key growth area will be AI development, where AI engineers, machine learning specialists, and data scientists will be in high demand. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 22% growth in AI-related fields from 2020 to 2030. Alongside technical positions, there will be a rise in roles focused on AI management and ethics. AI ethics officers will be responsible for ensuring transparency and fairness in AI systems. AI trainers and data annotators will also be critical in ensuring that AI models are trained with diverse, accurate data. Additionally, AI is transforming healthcare, with systems used for predictive analytics, medical imaging, and personalized treatment. By 2025, the AI healthcare market is projected to exceed $45 billion, leading to new roles in developing AI-driven medical technologies and integrating AI insights into patient care. Reskilling and upskilling, preparing workers for the AI economy. The AI revolution presents both opportunities and challenges, particularly in terms of workforce readiness. According to McKinsey, 70% of workers will need to acquire new skills by 2030 to keep up with AI changes. Technical skills in machine learning, data science, and programming will be crucial for transitioning into AI-related roles. Workers in sectors like manufacturing and retail will need proficiency in languages like Python and concepts such as data analysis. Soft skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking will also be in high demand. Companies like Amazon and Microsoft are investing in reskilling programs, with Amazon pledging $700 million by 2025. Governments must support affordable education and training programs to help workers adapt to new careers in the AI economy. AI in the gig economy. Opportunities and challenges. The gig economy has been on the rise in recent years, with more people turning to freelance, contract, and temporary work. AI has the potential to further shape the gig economy, both by creating new opportunities and by presenting new challenges. On one hand, AI tools can help freelancers manage their work more efficiently. For instance, AI-powered project management tools and digital assistants can help freelancers schedule meetings, track their progress, and optimize their work processes. These technologies can make it easier for gig workers to handle administrative tasks and focus on the work that requires their expertise. On the other hand, AI could lead to increased competition among gig workers. With the rise of AI-generated content tools, such as those used for writing, design, and coding, human freelancers may face more competition from automated systems that can perform the same tasks at a fraction of the cost. For example, AI-powered tools like GPT-4 are already being used to generate high-quality written content, while AI-designed software can help create logos and graphics in minutes. While these tools can augment the capabilities of human workers, they also present the possibility of reducing the demand for certain types of freelance labor. Additionally, gig workers often face job insecurity and lack of benefits, which could be further exacerbated by AI. Unlike traditional full-time employment, gig workers typically do not have access to health care, retirement plans, or paid time off. As AI tools become more prevalent, the pressure on workers to stay competitive may intensify, leaving gig workers even more vulnerable to exploitation. AI and economic inequality. The global divide. The rise of AI also has the potential to exacerbate economic inequality, both within countries and globally. High-income countries that have the resources to invest in AI technologies are more likely to see economic growth as a result of automation, while lower-income countries may struggle to keep up. According to a 2024 report by the United Nations, developing countries with large informal economies may find it particularly difficult to adapt to the demands of the AI-driven job market. Within developed nations, those who are able to transition into new, AI-related roles will benefit, while those who are unable to reskill may face unemployment or stagnating wages. This could create a widening wealth gap, with a growing divide between high-skilled, high-income workers and low-skilled, low-income workers. And that's a wrap on how AI is reshaping the job market. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay ahead of the curve and let's navigate the AI future together.